Hey guys, Noah Williams Pyrotechnics. I'm gonna present you the mystery. And guess what? It is the start of the New Year's stash. So first we got 2 New York Harbor fountains. They last 3 minutes and 20 seconds. These are awesome. These are really good fountains. The New York Harbor Show, I'm gonna open it and I'll show you inside of it. The Empire Show, which includes 8 canister shells. Let me see how big these are. I'll show you how big these are for in the end of the video. Then you got the Liberty Show, which includes 12 of them. 12 plus 8 is 20. So you get 20 shells. Let me put these back. You got Honor Duty Service by Phantom. This is 38 shots. A brilliant display of patriotic glory, red, white, and blue strobes, followed by blue mines caked with a huge brocade crowns, a thundering finale with red, white, and blue glittering breaks. Now we got the New Yorker Salute finale. Alternating comment tails and comment tails with glitter, followed by following leaves and a big willow in palm green with glitter. 30 colorful shots with a large finale, long duration, and a small show by itself. Then we got Ready for Liftoff. This is Then you got a new product for Phantom called Ready for Liftoff. You got multiple whistling effects breaking out into the sky. Pre-stage whistling the silver strobe spinners. Screaming the color strobe whistling burst. The color Z-shaped shots of red and blue. Burst. No, not burst. Strobe with a gorgeous finale, a big tie gold tail, the gold palm with an overwhelming crackling. So this is our New Year's stash. Got 2 New York Harbor fountains, a New York Harbor Show with 1 New Yorker Salute finale, Honor Duty Service, and Ready for Liftoff. This is an overview. Now let me show you the back of this. This is the back of this shell kit. Well, we'll be making a new stash video in late September. This was supposed to be in late August, but I couldn't do it because I was in Florida. So this is the makeup for August. And cut. Thank you for watching.